Right to education needs to be extended till secondary level, says Kapil Sibal. Speaking on the educational challenges that India faces, Telecommunication and HRD Minister Mr. Kapil Sibal on Tuesday said that right to education needs to be extended up to the secondary level to provide avenues for children emerging from elementary education. Addressing the inaugural session of the 58th meeting of the Central Advisory Board of Education in New Delhi, Mr. Sibal said the vision of right to education is on track, adding that both the central and state governments need to carry it forward.
We have passed a law that makes it free and compulsory for children within the age group of 6 to 14 to be imparted elementary education, but I think this should be taken forward. If you look at other countries of the world, most countries ensure that their children are educated up to K-12, but at least up to class 10. So one of the issues on the agenda before you today is, should not there be a similar kind of legislation that ensures free and compulsory education for children up to class 10?
Emphasizing on the key role of vocational education in national development, the minister underlined the integral role of state governments in preparing an outline for vocational studies.
So all kinds of skills are required to take the economy forward. So there is that element of diversity which is available in our country. Now that diversity has to be first looked at by the state governments, not by the central government. State governments must find out for themselves what are those levels of diversity in the area of skill development that are available in the states. And how do we empower our children? And what are our local specific targeted programs in skill development that we can actually put in place to empower those children?
Mr. Sibal also emphasized on making the education system more transparent and accountable towards its primary stakeholders, that is children and their parents. Priyanka with Divya for ANI.